Dear students, how are you? We are in our chapter number 4, standard 12, chemical kinetics, lecture also number 4. Yes, in last lecture we discussed about some important property of chemical reaction, which is order of the reaction and rate constant, rate law also. Here most IMP point, units of rate constant. From this point, 7 times question asked in various exams. NEET, JEE, Gujarat Board. Yes, 7 times. So most important. Units of rate constant means unit of K. We are going to discuss units of K. First of all, for a general reaction assumed AA plus BB gives CC and DD. Here, rate law for this reaction is A raised to X and B raised to Y. Rate is equal to K, A raised to X and B raised to Y, where X is the order of the reference to A. What is order? Yes, sir. Order means the sensitivity. એની કોન્સન્ટ્રેશનમાં ચેન્જ થાય તેના રેસ્ટ x જેટલો રેટ ચેન્જ થાય, that is the order, nothing else. Sensitivity, concentration double થાય તો rate 4 થાય, it means there should be 2. If concentration double થાય and rate 8 થાય તો there should be 8. 2 raised to 3 means 8. Understood? It is sensitivity of rate with reference to A, order is X, and with reference to B, order is Y. Now overall, total order of the reaction where X plus Y is equal to N is the order of reaction total. X plus 1. Reference to A, order is X, એટલે sensitivity. કે એની concentration double કરું તો કેટલી રેસ્ટ લઉં તો એ બરાબર sensitivity છે. A double કરું તો એનો રેસ્ટ 2 હોય તો અહીં 4 થાય તો એની sensitivity બતાવે. પછી B suppose 3 times increase કરું 3B અને રેટ છે 9 times થતો હોય તો there should be Y2. આવું કહી શકાય, એની સેન્સિટિવિટી બતાવે. સો હિયર K is equal to rate upon A raised to X and B raised to Y. Clear? Now, actually rate means concentration upon time. Rate means concentration upon time. Upon concentration raised to X and concentration raised to Y. So here concentration means mole per liter. So here concentration upon time into 1 upon concentration raised to X plus Y. Base is common, so rest comes as a power. So concentration upon time into 1 upon concentration raised to N. Why? X plus Y is the total order of the reaction. Now what is concentration? Actually concentration means mole per liter, where time in a second. So mole per liter upon second into 1 upon mole per liter raised to n. This is our trick. Now for getting units of different kind of reactions, value of K will be different. We are going one by one. Unit of zero order reaction. So we will use this one. If order of the reaction is zero, yes, zero order reaction, order of reaction whenever zero means mole per liter upon second, 1 upon mole per liter raised to 0. Yes, any value I મૂકવાનું 0. So it will be 1. So unit mole per liter. Second comes downward to upward. It became -1. So unit of K for zero order reaction is mole per liter per second. Understood? Now for first order reaction, this remains as it is. Here put down value 1, mole per liter raised to 1. So here mole per liter raised to 1, mole cut, liter inverse cut. So only 1 upon second means the second inverse. So for first order reaction, unit of K is second inverse. Now for second order reaction, mole per liter, it remains as it is, mole per liter raised to 2. So one time cut mole per liter upon second into mole raised to 2, liter raised to -2. Mole cut, so here one time mole, liter inverse cut, one time liter inverse. Yes. So actually mole comes upward, mole inverse. Here liter inverse became +1 in second inverse. So you can see both are not same. You can see here mole inverse. Here liter inverse, here liter 1. Second inverse, second inverse. So this one is for zero order, this one for second order. So gated answer mole inverse, liter raised to 1, second inverse. Now for third order reaction, mole per liter per second into 1 upon mole per liter raised to 3. So mole per liter per second remains as it is. Mole raised to 3, liter raised to -3. Multiplication, mole one time cut. So here will be 2. Liter inverse one time cut. So this moves upward. So mole raised to -2, liter raised to square, and second inverse. This is the unit of K for third order reaction. Now what about fourth order reaction? Whenever for mole per liter per second, here 1 upon mole per liter raised to 4. So mole per liter upon second, here 1 upon mole raised to 4, liter raised to -4. Mole cut, so mole raised to 3. 1 times cut, liter -3. Moves on upward. Mole raised to -3, liter raised to -3. Now plus in minus, convert. Minus into plus. and second inverse. Yes, order should be 0 and sometimes fraction also. What about order of reaction is 1/2? Yes, sir. So mole per liter upon second. 1 upon mole per liter raised to 1/2. So mole per liter per second into mole raised to 1/2 liter raised to -1/2. Here is 1. 1/2 and 1 છે. 1/2 થી ડિવાઇડ થાય so mole raised to 1/2. -1 and -1/2. So liter -1/2. And second inverse is a 1/2 order reaction. In your homework, find out 2/3 unit of K for order 2/3, then 5/2, then fifth order reaction. In your homework, do yourself. Now, in text example number 4.4, identify the reaction order. Identify most IMP point is now completed. Find out the unit of K for different reactions having different orders. Now we are in question number 4.4 of our textbook. Identify the reaction order identify the reaction order from each of the following red constants. E 1 K is equal to 2.3 into 10 raised to minus 5 liter into mole inverse into second inverse. And second is K is equal to 3 into 10 raised to minus 4 second inverse. Find out reaction order. This one is the second order reaction. Why? Not from value but from unit. We can say order is second. Why? Prove. Mole per liter per second. 1 upon mole per liter raised to 2. So mole per liter second, mole raised to 2 and liter raised to minus 2. Mole cut, 1 time remaining. Liter inverse cut, 1 time remaining. So 1 upon mole, liter inverse and second. When we take upward, so mole inverse, liter raised to 1, second inverse. Otherwise liter, this one I do. So second order reaction. Now this one is of first order reaction. How can we say? From the unit, second inverse, not from value. Unit of K is second inverse of first order. How can we say? Yes, I am giving a proof from mole per liter into second into 1 upon mole per liter raised to 1. Here raised to 1 cut only 1 upon second. So second inverse is our unit. understood. With help of unit term, we can say order of the reaction. Now another important term in chemical kinetic is molecularity. Our next ILP question, write a short note about molecularity. Write a short note about molecularity. Molecularity of a reaction. Molecularity of a reaction. Another property of a reaction called molecularity helps in understanding its mechanism. It's a mechanism. The number of reacting species like molecule, atoms, ions. Species means atoms, molecules or ions taking part. This is definition. Taking part in an elementary reaction. What is elementary? Elementary means the reaction occurs in only one step. That is called elementary reaction, which must collide simultaneously in order of bring about a chemical reaction is called molecularity of a reaction. Yes. Now one by one, listen. Another property of reaction called molecularity. Yes. What is molecularity? I am telling you. Help in understanding its mechanism. First property is the order of reaction. Yes, which gives the information about the mechanism, how reaction occurs. Another property is the molecularity. The number of reacting species like molecules, atoms or ions taking part in an elementary reaction which must collide simultaneously in order of bring chemical reaction called molecularity of reaction. It means at a time how many molecules are taking part, but your reaction should be in one step. At a time how much molecules are colloids in the reaction, that is called the molecularity. Here two molecules are reacting, are colloids at a time, and this reaction in one step, so it should be suppose A plus B gives C. This reaction is elementary, product occurs in one step, so A and B colloids with each other, so molecularity should be 2. જ્યારે reaction થાય ત્યારે how many atoms, ions at a time colloid થાય અને product આપે, પણ રિએક્શન શુડ બી એલિમેન્ટરી, એટલે એક જ સ્ટેપમાં થવું જોઈએ. ત્યારે એમાં કેટલા પાર્ટિકલ્સ કોલોઇડ થાય છે, એકબીજા સાથે અથડાય છે. That is called a molecularity. The reaction can be unimolecular. Yes, sir. Reaction can be uni એટલે one. Reaction can be unimolecular when one reacting species when one reacting species is involved. So we can say unimolecularity involved. For example, ammonium nitride. Decomposition of ammonium nitride gives N2 gas and 2 mole of water. Here only one molecule is involved in the reaction, and this reaction occurs in one step, so it is elementary. So molecularity is 1 for this reaction. Now store in your mind, ammonium nitride on decomposition gives dinitrogen and water. Here only one molecule is taking part, and reaction occurs in only one step. So molecularity should be 1. Yes, sir. Now another example, bimolecular. Bimolecular reactions involve simultaneously collision between two species. Species means molecule, atom or ion. For example, dissociation of hydrogen iodide. Example for it, dissociation of hydrogen iodide. So 2 mole Hi gives H2 plus I2. Yes, sir. Here Hi 2 mole collides with each other. So at a time, this reaction also occurs in one step. So reaction is elementary. In this reaction, how many molecules are taking part? 2. Both collides with each other. All bond break. New bond will be formed. So gated product will be H2 and I2. Here 2 molecules involved in the reaction. In one step, 2 particles, 2 species are collides with each other. So molecularity is 2. But store in your mind, reactions should be elementary, means occurs in one step. Now trimolecular or termolecular. Trimolecular or termolecular. Tri otherwise ter. Molecular reactions involve simultaneously collision between 3 species, means 3 molecules, 3 atoms or 3 ions involving 3. Hence reaction with the molarity 3 are very rare. Now example for it. Example for tri-molecularity. 2NO plus O2 gives 2NO2. This reaction also occurs in one step. Here 2 molecules of NO and 1 of O2 collides with each other at a time, and only in one step when it gives a product. So molecularity is 3. 2 molecules of NO and 1 of O2. So molecularity is 3. The probability that more than 3 molecules can colloid and react simultaneously is very small. Yes, એટલે more than 3 particles never colloids at a time. Hence reaction with the three molecularity are very rare and very slow. More than 3 molecularity is not possible. More than 3 particles never colloids with each other at a time. So more than 3 molecularity is not possible. And also having 3 molecularity examples are very rare. Rare case માં જોવા મળશે. Very less છે. Slow છે. So more than 3 molecularity at a time collision in one step occurring reaction is not possible. It is therefore evident that complex reaction involving more than 3 molecules in the stoichiometric equation must take place in more than one step. It is therefore evident that complex reactions involving more than 3 molecules in stoichiometric reaction, the balance reaction. In the balance reaction, stoichiometric reaction must take place in more than one step. Yes, that is called it means one molecularity possible, 2 possible, 3 possible, but more than 3 molecularity is not possible. So sometimes in the balanced chemical reaction, stoichiometric reaction equation, more than 3 particles are taking part, but it should be occurring more than one step. એટલે એક જ સ્ટેપમાં ના થાય, એક કરતાં વધારે સ્ટેપમાં થાય. I am giving you example of your book. Potassium chlorate plus 6 mol of ferrous sulfate, 3 mol of sulfuric acid gives potassium chloride, 3 mol of ferric sulfate and 3 mol of water. You can see here number of molecules are 10. So molecularity is 10, not possible. It means that this reaction occurs in many stages. This reaction which apparently seems to be of 10th order is actually a second order reaction. This reaction which this reaction which apparently seems to be tenth order. Why? It appears 10 molecule of the reactant. So it appears seems to be 10th order, but actually it is a second order. Practically proven, it is second order reaction. This shows that reaction take place in several steps. This shows that reaction occurs in many steps, not in one step. Which step control the rate of the overall reaction? Control the overall reaction slower one. I am giving you best example for that. Suppose in the industries, in the factory, a reaction occurs in 3 steps. Step 1, step 2 and step 3. First step completes in 20 minutes. Second step completes in 2 hours. And third one in 15 seconds only. So which step is a slower one? B to C. So we can say completion time of reaction is near about 2 hours. આ રિએક્શન 3 સ્ટેપમાં થાય છે. એમાં જે સ્લોવર વન છે આને કોમ્પ્લેક્સ રિએક્શન કહેવાય. એક સ્ટેપમાં ના થાય કારણ કે 3 પાર્ટિકલ એકી સાથે કોલોઇડેડ ના થાય. મેની સ્ટેપમાં થશે. તો એમાં જે સ્લોવર વન હોય તો રેફરન્સ ટુ 2 hours, 15 seconds and 20 minutes is negligible. So we can say this reaction occurs in 2 hours. So that is rate determining step. And that step is called rate determining. And આ સ્ટેપમાં કેટલા particles colloid થાય, that is the molecularity. And on the basis of slower one, we can derive order of the reaction. The question can be answered if we go through the mechanism of the reaction. Question can be answered through chemical mechanism, yes, of reaction. One example common of your book chance to win the relay race of competition relay race એક દોડની સ્પર્ધા છે by a team depend upon the slower participant, slowest person in the team. Understood? એટલે ટીમના જીતવાના ચાન્સ કેટલા તો કે તમારે એમાં સૌથી સ્લોવર કોણ છે એ જોવો પડે એના ઉપરથી તમારા ચાન્સ રહેશે. So overall rate of the reaction is controlled by the slower step called the rate determining step. Yes sir. The overall rate of reaction depends upon slower step, and that is called the rate determining step. Determining the step. Rate determining step. Yes sir. Here, જ્યારે reaction more than one step માં થાય, so slower one step we have to consider as rate determining step. અને એની અંદર કેટલા molecules colloid થાય, that is molecularity. અને એના base ઉપર the order of reaction we can derive some. Consider the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide. Consider decomposition of hydrogen peroxide in alkaline medium. Consider the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide in alkaline medium, means basic medium, of hydrogen peroxide in alkaline medium, which is catalyzed by, catalyzed by iodide ion, I minus. So here reaction 2 mole of H2O2, I minus, alkaline medium, 2 mole of water and 1 mole of O2. The rate equation, rate law of the reaction found to be rate, otherwise differential equation derivative form dH2 upon dt is equal to K H2O2 raised to 1 I minus raised to 1. This exponent derived practically, we have to remember. This reaction is first order with respect to both H2O2 and I minus. Evidence suggests that this reaction takes place in two steps. This reaction is the first order with respect to H2O2 and I minus. With reference to H2O2 it is 1, respect to with I minus, respect to I minus it is 1, So total order of the reaction is 2. Overall, this reaction takes place in 2 steps. Actually, this reaction occurs in 2 steps. So now, first step, H2O2 collides with I minus. Step 1. This one is lower. It gives H2O plus I minus. In the second step, H2O2 plus IO minus. This one intermediate. Step number 2 is fast. Once again it gives H2O plus O2 and I minus. Here 2 steps. Both the steps are bimolecular elementary reactions. Actually, this reaction occurs in 2 steps. Both the steps, both 1 and 2, both the steps are bimolecular, where 2 molecules are colloids in first and second. So both steps are bimolecular. Elementary reaction. Elementary means both step occurs in 1 step. આ પણ 1 સ્ટેજમાં ને આ પણ 1 સ્ટેજમાં કમ્પ્લીટ થાય છે. Elementary reactions species here IO minus is a intermediate, is called intermediate IO minus. Why intermediate? Since it is found during the first step, during the course of the reaction. But not in the overall reaction. अब एक टोटल करिए. 2 mole of H2O2, IO cut I minus gives 2H2O plus O2. Understood? It not comes in our overall reaction. So which is પહેલા સ્ટેપમાં જે occur થયું હોય એ સેકન્ડ સ્ટેજમાં યુઝ થઈ જાય, that is intermediate. Understood? એટલે ઓવરઓલ રિએક્શનમાં ના આવે, અહીંયા જે occur થયું હોય અહીં યુઝ થઈ જાય, that is intermediate. The first step being slow is rate determinating. Here first step is slow. So it is a rate determining step. Determine the formation. Determining step. Rate determining step. Yes, also. Thus, the rate of formation of intermediate will the rate of this reaction. Yes, sir. So here in slower one, how many particles are colloids? H2O2 plus in slower step, so which is bimolecular. And here also rate of reaction is K. H2O2 raised to 1. Now understood? And I minus raised to 1. So order of the reaction is also 2. Thus from the discussion till now we conclude the following. Yes, last point. conclusion. From the short note of molecularity and from the short note of the order of the reaction. Order, actually this is comparison between order of reaction and molecularity. Comparison. Order of a reaction is an experimental property, quantity. Yes, order of reaction is an experimental quantity. It can be zero. Yes, sir. We discussed. It can be zero and even a fraction. Order of reaction should be 1 half, 3 half, 0, positive. But molecularity cannot be 0 or a non-integer. Yes, 0 now and fraction now. Whole digit only 1, 2 and 3 joy. More than 3 now. 1 half now. Understood? Comparison. Order is applicable to elementary. Order of reaction is applicable to elementary and complex reactions. Order of reaction is applicable to elementary and complex reactions, whereas molecularity is applicable only to the elementary reaction. Order of reaction we can apply. Elementary means reaction occurs in one step. Complex means more than one step. We can apply. But molecularity only applicable to elementary reaction. For complex reactions, molecularity has no meaning. Meaningless. Now third conclusion. Third one. For complex reaction, order is given to the slowest step. And molecularity slowest step is same as the order of the overall reaction. For complex reaction, if reaction is complex, order is given by the slowest step and molecularity of the slowest step is order same as the order of the reaction. Whenever reaction is complex, it occurs in many steps. એમાં સ્લોવર સ્ટેપના બેઝ ઉપર ઓર્ડર ઓફ રિએક્શન ડિરાઈવ થાય. તો this lowest stepમાં જે molecularity છે is same as order of the reaction હોય છે. Now last question 4.3. For a reaction A plus B gives product. For a reaction A plus B gives a product. The rate law is given by R is rate K, A raised to 1 half and B raised to 2. What is the order of reaction? So here R is equal to K. With respect to A, it is 1 half. With respect to B is 2. So 1 half plus 2. So overall order of reaction 2 to the 4. So 5 by 2. So 2.5. Order of reaction is 2.5. Now bye. We will meet in our next lecture. I hope everything is well.